What's up, YouTube? Skyler Casino here. We went catfishing a little earlier. We also have some store-bought tilapia. We didn't get any video of the fishing, cleaning, anything like that. We're just gonna strictly do a cook, how I would prepare my catfish or tilapia, and it's all gonna be fried. Here's our catfish that we caught earlier. First things first, make sure you do wash your hands. And then this fillet, see that's catfish right there also. And then we also have some tilapia in here, which is bought from the store. Have our fryer, have our assistant here, and she's gonna show you how we're gonna prepare it. All right, so what's going on right here? They're gonna be fried. We're gonna put them inside a little deep fryer. How we're going to cut them, we're pretty much trying to make little catfish nuggets. Very good, very delicious, as you can see. Cutting them in just little, really bite size, almost like popcorn chicken, but popcorn catfish.
Popcorn catfish.
Popcorn catfish, but just pretty much bite size. All right, so we got 2 plates right here. Now after you got everything cut up, prepped and stuff like that, you wanna get your 3 bowls. We got our oil over here, heating up right now. We got it filled to the max. All right, first bowl, red hot wing sauce. It's the buffalo sauce. You're gonna put that in the first bowl. Just your regular all-purpose flour. Open that up. Put this down in the bowl. Oh, perfect. First thing we're gonna start off frying is the catfish. So throw it inside your wing sauce. Just get a few in there. Make sure you get an even coat all the way around. I'm gonna use my hand, like I said. Most important thing is always wash your hands before you're doing this. Make sure you're sanitary. After that, you wanna grab them, dust them off just a little bit, Throw them in your flour. It's all right, it's gonna be a little messy. And then mix them around. You wanna make sure you get a nice even coat of flour all the way around so they fry nice, perfect, golden brown crisp. All right, so we got all of our little catfish nuggets right here. Usually, the way we fry them, we usually fry them in a pan. We went to Walmart, got ourselves a Farberware. I don't know if we know that brand. 20 bucks at Walmart. So we're gonna try it out. If it blows up on us, y'all gonna see it with us. But we're gonna start off with putting in about 10 of these little fillets. All right, we're gonna drop them in right here. Let those start cooking there. Do we need the lid? Yeah, let's put the lid. There we go. So no grease splashes up on us, and this says it'll take about 2 minutes. All right, been about 2 minutes. Lift them up. Let those drip for just a second. Alrighty, boom. Got a nice little basket. Try to, still a little bit of oil on them. Try to dump them out nice and easy. There we go. There's our little nuggets. Now we'll sit here and fry up the rest of these, and then we'll do a little taste test. So we're getting those going now. We're gonna talk about what sides. Typically, what I like to eat is rice. Got some Spanish rice, jasmine rice if you're trying to be a little bit healthier, and it'll go great with your little nuggets. Alright, so as you can see, the food was delicious. Totally forgot to start filming to get our reaction, I guess, on how the food tasted, but it was amazing. Here's the tilapia, as you can see right here. Catfish on this side. We got still tilapia going. We're sort of eating as we're cooking the rest of the tilapia. And yeah, okay, so we're gonna get a reaction. Tilapia just now got done, so see how it tastes.
I actually like this better than the catfish one.
Really? Which ones did you
And
get?
I love this.
The ones that are overdone? Is that the one you got? You got the other one? Wow.
Now, these are a little drier than these.
A little drier?
Yeah. But they have more meat.
Yeah.
They're just, the other ones are drier.
I appreciate y'all watching the video. Hope y'all enjoyed how to deep fry tilapia and catfish and also prepare it.
They're really good.
Hopefully in the future, we're gonna try to keep on pumping out more videos such as cooking, fishing, probably some hunting, anything really to do with outdoors and stuff like that. So if y'all could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be great. And we'll catch you next video.